Sunday.
No, do it the other way. Stop again.
Hello, it's Sunday the 23rd of July 2023 and we're in our car on our way to Harwich.
Then tomorrow we're going to be going on a ferry all the way to Holland and Belgium and then France.
We are.
So exciting.
It is. Oliver, give us a smile. Hi.
So we've been in the car for about 3 or 4 hours and we've had one stop for lunch. We're doing really well. We are about an hour away from the CL near Harwich. So when we get there we'll set up, relax, have a mooch around and then, like Connie says, jump on the ferry tomorrow morning.
We have to be up and at it at the ferry crossing between sort of 6:30 and 7 in the morning for a 7-hour ferry crossing. Next report will be either at the campsite or on the boat.
Bring it on!
There's just a little video. There's Daddy and Connie and Oliver. Hi! Just having a little game of football. Arrived at our first campsite, a little CL, not far from Manningtree in Ipswich, and it's beautiful and it's hot. We jumped out the car and had to take our long legs off where it was a bit colder. Set up camp really quick. And we're going to go off for a lovely walk or a bike ride and have an explore before we're back for dinner for our first night of our holiday.
Morning, Dowdall family. We're at the ferry port. We're about to get on the ferry. Look, it's 6:45. Oh, we're so excited. Yeah, nice spots. But yeah, say morning everyone.
Good morning.
Are we all excited?
Good morning.
Look, we've just pulled up and there's a speedboat thing over there. Look, there's the ferry port. Hey. So, didn't sleep that well, but who cares? Love you. Here we are, we're driving onto the ferry. Exciting.
Look at the water.
Over we go. Is it exciting, kids?
Yeah. Yeah. You're not scared.
We're going that way. Here we go. No.
Hi, we are walking around the city and we are in Holland. We're walking around the city. We're with some old friends, Irene and her daughter. There they are. So there's my mom, dad, that's Irene and her daughter. That's my brother. Okay, bye.
It's Monday, the something end of July, and we've finished our trip to Holland. We've just packed up in the rain. Luckily
Soggy.
We are soggy and wet. We've luckily packed the awning and everything down in the dry yesterday, but it was a pretty rainy night. We've not done much sleeping, and now it's on to Belgium, where there's more rain due. So
Let's go to Belgium.
And eat waffles.
And eat waffles and chocolate. Chapter 2, here we come!
Chapter
Woo! Or Chapter 3 if we include Essex as Chapter 1. And then Holland is Chapter 2 and Belgium Chapter 3. Bye for now!
Ciao. See that? Big fat rain. Big fat rain. The kids are up on that water slide over there. In the rain. There's Oliver.
A cool wavy slide straight into the lake.
And we are sat here trying to keep warm and dry, and it is miserable.
Proper pouring down.
We'll see you soon.
Well done! Ready? Woo!
Yeah.
Hello people, it is the 1st of August. We are at our lovely campsite. And this is the park.
And we finally had some dry weather. It rained all night last night, so we were soggy and wet. Finally it's all dried out a little bit from the leg. And there's loads of kids still playing in the park. It's lovely.
There's this water feature. There's that big slide. There's some aqua. There's this. That my mum went down. And then there is also
Very good. Today is Tuesday the 1st of August 2023. We are in De Leelsbergen camping in Belgium, east of Antwerp, and we're on this really cool campsite in this amazing lake. As you can see out in the background, Oliver's joining us. Hello! Hi Dad!
Just beat Oliver basketball and football.
Oh, well done. Hello! Honey and I have been doing all these climbing.
There they are. They are paddleboarding in a Belgium water park place. There's a big slide. Connie's up there somewhere. There she is at the top. Yeah, nice day. It's stopped raining now, which is hey. Well done, Connie. We are walking.
In the St. Anna tunnel, going under the river. We've been out to one side of the river and we'll go
massive walking tunnel. Goes under the river over to Antwerp. So it should be nice when we get over there. Connie, what do you want when we get to Antwerp?
Waffles.
Say it again. Louder.
Waffles.
I think she wants some waffles. So we are in Turnhout in Belgium, which is a lovely little town. We've had a nice day here. Look, just walked down the nice canal from way up there. Oliver's there. It's like a little love lock thing.
Hi.
And there's Connie over there. Connie. Okay. So yeah, it's a lovely town in Belgium. It's the 4th of August.
We just had kibblin for
Kibblin was
lunch.
good.
Just little tiny chunks of fish deep fried that Grandad told us about where we were.
We shared a couple of baguettes and some donut treats as well.
Walked around the market town. It's been nice.
Luckily, weather's not too bad today, even though it's grey. And it's been forecast storms all afternoon. It's been all right, so it's been a nice day so far. Okay, see you soon.
Hello everybody. This is our next video instalment. It is our 4th chapter of the holiday, and today we are on the move to France. So it is currently 10 to 10 and we set off, been in the car probably 45 minutes. We're up and off and early from our Belgian campsite with a slightly soggy and mucky awning ready to put out when we get to France and dry it out, but the sun is shining, it is looking much nicer and the weather is due to pick up, so we're hoping for a much drier and hotter chapter in France. Whoop whoop!
Yay, bring on France and some baguettes, croissants,
Pain au chocolat,
and chocolate.
and see the sea. We have missed the sea a little bit this holiday, and a beach and some pretty beautiful French towns and villages. We can't wait.
Bye.
And Connie's tired. There's Oliver reading his book. Reading Judy Bloom. Are You There, God, It's Me, Margaret. He's already at page 100 and he's enjoying it. Oh no, he's on his phone. I thought he was reading. Bye.
Today we are going on a bike ride to St. Valery-sur-Mer. It's a lovely day. We've got the Somme Canal just there to our right. Can you see that? So it is Wednesday. It's a beautiful day, so we'll do this. Tomorrow is due to be really nice and hot. Looking forward to that. Bonjour. Arrogant French. Look at that. Lovely. That's my arm. There you go, it's Wednesday. So I've got this for about 10k today. Lovely. Let's see where the kids are. Got sun cream in my eye. Oh, they've stopped because they always do. What a day. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Day on the bikes. Tonight we've got prawns for dinner and bonjour, nice, and mussels, so I'll do a little video about that as well. So, mwah, good day planned. Have some beer and wine later as well. Mwah, mwah, bonjour, ça va? Keep going. Keep going. Yeah, this is what we like. This kind of bike riding, nice and safe, nice straight footpath all the way to town. Look at that. Mwah.
pose for my photo.
We are, where are we today?
Le Croitoy. Croitoy.
Croitoy.
How you spell it? Croitoy.
And it is the hot day. Look at the sun.
Blue sky, and over there is St Valery-sur-Somme where we were yesterday.
That's where we were yesterday.
We've just come to the other side of the Bay of the Somme, which is lovely.
So our last day on holiday. Tomorrow we set off home again. So we're going to spend a few hours here, walking around, find some nice treats, and then we'll be going back to the campsite for our last evening. Nice dinner, a bit more beer, that kind of thing. Smiling. Nope.
What's for dinner tonight?
No, what's for dinner? We're having galettes.
Galettes.
Gorgeous.
Hello, this is the last video for our holiday diary. We are in the car driving back from New Haven on, what day of the week are we? Friday the 11th of August.
It's
7:30 in the evening. It's been a long day of travelling and we're still probably perhaps 2 hours away from home. We had to get round past London and we've made it around the M25. We stopped at Services for dinner, which was nice, and now we're back in the car trying to get back before it gets any later. Kids are just playing. Andy's done amazing driving our holiday. Thank you very much. Wonderful job. Has it been a good holiday, everyone? Yeah. It was brilliant. We've had a lovely time, even without lots of biking or with some rainy weather. Thanks for a wonderful holiday in 2023. Bye.